If you want to create a simple game menu with a work and play button in Godot, you're in the right place. Right now, there is already a game scene. It's a Node 3D and it includes a camera, so the scene is visible, a world environment, a light, and a CSG object just for visuals. This scene has already been saved as game. Now let's create the menu. Click the plus icon at the top to create a new scene. Here choose a Node 2D since menus are usually built in 2D, then rename it to menu. Next, click the plus icon at the scene panel to add a child node and add a texture rect. This will be the background. In the inspector, go to the texture, choose quick load, then select the background you want. After that, resize it so it fills the entire screen. Now under the menu node, add a texture button node. Again in the inspector, go to the texture. For the normal state, click quick load and select the default button image. Then for the pressed state, do the same and select the image that appears when the button is clicked. Now go to the layout and inside transform, change the scale from 1 to 0.5 so the button size looks better. Then position the button whenever needed on the screen. Next, click on the menu node, click attach script, and then create. This will create a script for the menu. Now select the texture button node. In the inspector, switch to the signals tab, find the pressed signal and click on it. Then click on connect, then click on connect again to confirm. This connects the button to the script. Inside the script, remove the pass line and replace it with this line. What this does is simple. When the button is pressed, it tells Godot to switch to the game scene. Now click on main menu, go to the scene and click save scene and save it. Then click on main menu, then go to the project setting. Inside the run section, change the main scene to the menu. This is important because it tells the game to start from the menu instead of the game scene. Now close the window and test the game. Press play, and as you can see, the menu shows up and the play button, and when it clicks, the game starts. If you want to learn how to export your Godot game to Android, don't miss the next video. I'll see you in the next one.